In this video, we will see how to create a class and object in Java and how to assign a class variables by using constructor. In my above previous two videos, how to assign a class variables by using reference variable and method. Here I am using constructor, how to assign a class variables. We will see here. First I am going to separate two files. First one is example3 and example3 main. In my one file I am going to write just variables and method, and the other file I am going to write a main method. So first I am creating a class. Inside this I am passing two variables, which is name and mark. Name which is in string and the mark which is in integer data type. Then I am going to create another one method, which is display. It has no return type, so in front of display I am putting a void, and inside this I am printing one statement, which is system.out.println. I am printing here, which is whatever you want you can pass. I am printing just name and mark. I want to display my name and mark in my console window. So I am in the display method I am writing like this, and I am going to create a constructor, the constructor which is same name as the class name only. So in my class name, which is example3, so my constructor name which is same as my class name. So I am taking example3 here. Inside the constructor I just label like instead of name I am using s name, instead of mark I am using s mark, and the name and s name and the mark and s mark, which both are same, so I am mentioning it here. Then only I can pass the constructor value in my main method. So I am just mentioning mark equal to s mark and name equal to s name. This file is over. First I am writing variables and method and also the constructor. Then I am going to create a main method, which is in my next file. I am creating the class first. Then I am going to write the main method, which is public static void main string of arguments. I am writing here void main inside parenthesis string arguments of, and I'm going to create the object at the time of a constructor is called at the time of creating an object. So I'm going to create an object here. First I want to take the class name, which is not a main class, which is from my previous call. Whatever my variables and methods I am putting in example3 file, so that file only I am going to use it here. And object inside new example, here I am passing my values, which is name and mark, because the advantage of constructor is called at the time of creating an object itself. So I am pass it here. Then I want to run my code. I want to run my main method. So I am running it here. And I forget to write the display method. Then only it can print my name and mark in my console window. So I am run the code, run the main method. I'm going to run a Java application. We can get the output like ABCD and 23, which is name and the mark. In my console window, I got the output, which is ABCD and 23. I got it here. And that's all about how to create a class variables by using constructor. And that's all.